natin ng e-mobility, whether it be e-trikes, e-bus, e-cars, and others, is para bang in all fronts yung ating we're trying to commercialize. Tama yung sinabi ni President Ibanez. They were talking to some industry players already. Nandun na kami bumubuo kami ngayon ng feasibility study. And so, siguro this month patatapos na yung feasibility study. We did it, we started doing this last December. Now, aside from the feasibility study, meron na rin kaming kinakausap na meron siyang ginagawa dating e-trike by linya. Ibig sabihin, kompleto pa yung kanyang equipment and this firm can immediately mass produce. Ang atin lang titignan yung price point. So, importante na kailangan ay malaman natin kung ano yung presyo na ibebenta natin. Of course, aside from that, yung price point, kailangan competitive kasi. You know that there are many e-trikes coming from China, other countries, and so on and so forth. And so when we produce, ang estimate namin, in the first 2 years, 80% of the parts will be coming abroad, 20% locally produced. Now, after 2 years, marireverse yan. 80 will be Philippine-made, and then 20 would come from to be sourced outside of the Philippines. Now, in a span of 2 to 3 years, I think na makakabuo tayo ng e-mobility industry. Meaning, maraming magbe-benefit dito because the parts will be coming from the Philippines and we will be competitive in terms of price point. Actually, tama yung sinabi ni Sir Art na there are so many orders already. Now, what we're doing, sabi ko nga yung efforts ng DOST, All France, yung mga charging station. You need the infrastructure. Kailangan na meron silang mapupuntahan na charging station so that, it can be more attractive to them. And, of course, less ang cost niyan. And so this is what we're trying to do. But we're very glad that in the Visayas, the Mindanao, and of course here in Luzon, talagang malaki ang demand ng e-trike. Yung isang use case namin sa Pasay City with the city mayor, Rubiano, ang nangyari doon, kasi at the end of the day, sino ba gagamit ng e-trikes? Mga tricycle driver. Now, to convince them to convert and to invest, kailangan at the end of the day, bottom line yan, yung kita eh. Yung Pasay City, ang use case namin doon, from 300 pesos a day, naging 600 yung take-home ng tricycle driver. And this is what we're trying to do. And yung sinasabi ni Secretary kanina, na, matipid, walang halos gastos, yung ibang LGU, may incentive pa na libre ang charging. And so, I think na when we do this and when we disseminate this information, then we can convince more to adopt the e-trikes. Ang na lang natin yung assembly plant that will produce, yung mass produce the e-trikes.